Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a couple of different ways how to download Poly AI on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and click onto polybuzz.ai. Type in polybuzz.ai in the browser. Now, once we're over at polybuzz.ai, we want to go ahead and click on the install button. So to the right of that, we've got the option to install. Click on install, and then from the app, install Polybuzz for quick access and a better experience of AI characters. So go ahead and click on install, and that's going to go ahead and install it to your desktop. So as you can see here, here's the thumbnail for it. Now, another way to do this is if you don't have the install button, that's okay. So I'm going to open up Polybuzz again. Now, once we're here, we want to click on the three dots, click onto cast, save and share. And then we've got the option to install it. Because I've already installed it, it says open in Polybuzz, but you can click on install and go through the installation process.